Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a hard to find, heavy spec 2022 Pete 389 day cab to show you. Built with an X15, 565, 18 speed, 46 rears, full lockers, and a wet kit. I've had several people ask me about this truck, so I figured I'd get one good video. Inside, outside, frame rails, the whole 9 yards. We just got this one in. Haven't done a whole lot to it. Detailed the inside, washed it up, but you see it basically in our work clothes. Gonna do a full walk around. Let's go ahead and get started underneath the hood. Excellent steers. Underneath the cab is extremely clean. Underneath the hood, really no rust. You have a little bit of paint peel there, just odds and ends stuff, but really clean underneath here. Body and paint's excellent condition as well. No bumps, no scrapes, no cracks in the fenders. Really straight, nice bumper. The only rust back here really is going to be like on a little bracket there. That's clean. 2-line wet kit. There's your factory split tank, which I love that cleanliness aspect of it. Air slide fifth wheel. See, on back here around that fifth wheel plate, you have that paint peeling, you have rust there. Rear rubber, these tires over here, 10, 12, 30 seconds. Generals, nice full fenders, light package on their back. Disc brakes. See on this side as well, you got the same 10, 12, 30 second drives there. They've replaced these two. From a cosmetic standpoint, I'd say you'd basically have almost a new truck if this was cleaned up and repainted on the back end there. There's no other real imperfections anywhere. Platinum interior. Matching leather seats. Here's your control package for your wet kit. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this truck or anything else that we've got, feel free to give me a call or email me. You can call me 901-896-4526 or email me anytime to Joey at truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.